So I start out by going through my freezer and I take an inventory of everything that's in the freezer and then I plan meals by that. Now I don't have much meat. I just bagged up all that chicken that I'll share in another video up here. But other than that, I really don't have much meat.
Absolutely love finding recipes on Pinterest. That's my number one go-to. So I'll find the recipes on Pinterest, I'll print them off, and then I'll put them in my recipe books that is separated by categories. Page protectors are amazing. You just slide them in there and they keep it clean when you cook. So I will plan out my meals for the week and then I will plan on what I need over here and I write them all down. So this week I'm having barbecue chicken crust pizza, sweet and sour meatballs, a pulled pork sandwich in the crock pot, shepherd's pie with sweet potato, crock pot chicken fajitas, meatloaf, and cream cheese chicken chili. And then I'll also write down all my breakfasts that I'm going to cook this week. So I have zucchini blueberry waffles, healthy chocolate muffins, biscuits and gravy, spinach banana muffins, sausage egg and cheese sandwiches, apple cinnamon muffins, and zucchini banana bread. Sorry you can't read any of my handwriting. I write horrible. I write really fast, but that is what we're having this week. I'll also make videos of me cooking most of. If you don't have a printer and you still want to keep your recipes kind of organized, this is kind of a hack that I found that works for me. So I'll find a recipe on my phone, if you can see it, and then I'll click on it. This is Android. I use Google Chrome. I absolutely love Google Chrome. I won't use anything else. There's 3 dots right here that I'll click, and then right here it says Open in Chrome. So now all these little numbers over here are all the tabs that I have open. So open that up and here's all the recipes that I want. Right there, every time. All you have to do is go back and click on those numbers right there and ignore the pop-ups. So just click on those numbers and there's all my recipes that I'm going to make for this week. You're also going to want to find a budget that works for you each week. Ours for our family of 4 is about $200. I really try to keep it at $200. If I have to buy meat, it's going to be a little more expensive. If I just bought some chicken, so I'm going to use that. But chicken is really all the meat that I have right now. So I will be buying meat this week, so it might just be a little bit more expensive. But I'm also a kind of person, when I cook, I don't really ever cook the same thing more than once, which gets a little bit expensive that way, but I like variety. I cannot eat the same thing every week. There are some staple foods that I do keep in rotation, but more than likely I'm going to cook something new. Now that I have everything ready to grocery shop and to pick everything up, I personally love Walmart pickup and Aldi pickup. Those are my 2 majors. Or if you don't like to do pickup, you can an app called ListEase. You put in your grocery and put them under lists. So like you can put them into categories and it makes it a whole lot easier to go shopping. It's called ListEase and I've used it for years. But now I like the pickup. So you'll put in milk and you'll put it under dairy and then all is categorized. So you just go to the store and you can go over to the dairy section and you know everything you need right there off of your phone instead of making a list and crossing it off. So to me it's so easy. But now that I do pickup, I will usually put Walmart pickup on my laptop and then I'll put Aldi on my phone and I'll kind of price match and I'll get the cheaper deal. I am all about saving money. So I type in meatballs on the Aldi app and then I type in meatballs on the Walmart app, and so as you can see, 32 ounces of meatballs on Walmart is $7.47 and 32 ounces of meatballs on Aldi is $6.85. So then I will add this to my cart, and so Aldi is a better choice. Alright, so here is the total on Walmart. So I did go over just a little bit, like $20. I had to get paper towels, I had to get toilet paper, I had to get rechargeable batteries, but I did get really close to my goal. My Aldi and Walmart are only like a mile from each other, so it's pretty easy. And then I just schedule the pickup times like around the same time, and I'll go to one and I'll go to the other, and then I'll get the cheaper of the groceries. Alright, so this is this is Walmart and Aldi. I got Dave's Killer Bread to make sandwiches. This is our favorite kind of bread. It's the healthiest kind that we can find besides sourdough. We've got some grapes, Brussels sprouts, Gouda cheese, This is for our pizza that we're going to make, the chicken crust pizza, the ground chicken crust pizza. We got sour cream for the fajitas, Band-Aids because the kids are always hurting themselves. I have deodorant, soap, more batteries because I got rechargeable this time because my camera keeps dying. Raisins. I put raisins in my salad. Cocoa aminos because soy sauce is bad for you and this is a better alternative. Oranges, parsnips, baby spinach. I like to put this in salads or smoothies. We have oats. I like to make a lot of things out of oats. You can grind it and make it into flour. You can eat oatmeal. Ranch. This is sugar. Pineapple tidbits for my sweet and sour meatballs. Vinegar to make cleaners. Peaches for smoothies and eating. Onions for everything. Crackers. And this side is Aldi. So corn, canned corn. I've got some Rotel grocery bags because we're almost out. This is the kind of sliced cheese that I like. More corn, onion powder, sweet and sour sauce for the sweet and sour meatballs, broccoli, bananas, and ground beef was on sale at Aldi, so I got 100% grass fed. It was way cheaper than getting like a tube. And because I'm all out of deer meat. I usually eat deer meat, but I had to buy ground beef this time. So, and then creamer. I like this creamer. It's more of a natural kind. It does still have a lot of sugar and stuff, but it's more natural. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.